Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with a hand mixer. First, ensure your mixing bowl and beaters are thoroughly chilled. Placing them in the freezer for 15 minutes works wonders. Next, pour your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. For every cup of cream, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. This preparation is key for achieving perfect, fluffy whipped cream. Begin by attaching your chilled beaters to the hand mixer. Start mixing the cream on the lowest speed setting to avoid any initial splattering. Once the cream begins to incorporate the sugar and vanilla, gradually increase the mixer speed to medium-high. Keep the mixer moving around the bowl to ensure even aeration. This steady increase in speed helps build volume efficiently. As you continue mixing, observe the cream's consistency. For soft peaks, the cream will hold its shape, but the tip will gently curl over when you lift the beaters. For firm peaks, the cream will stand straight up without curling. Be careful not to overmix, as this can quickly turn your beautiful whipped cream into butter. Stop mixing as soon as your desired peak consistency is reached. Freshly made whipped cream is best enjoyed immediately, but you can store any leftovers. Place it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. If it separates slightly, a quick whisk by hand or a very brief rewhip with your hand mixer can bring it back to life. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade whipped cream on desserts, fruits, or hot beverages. It truly elevates any treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.